Hello from Slovenia again. Today it's an experimenting day again in my studio, and I have 12 by 16-inch canvas and some primary colors and pearl white and extreme sheen gold, and I will do a wandering straight pour. And then I playing with this idea in my head for quite some time, and I did some experimenting before, but today I will go more on purpose, or how can I say, let's say like that. So I will layer my cup, and then I will tell you more. This is primary cyan and primary magenta, and let's add a touch of pearl white and primary yellow and a touch of gold, maybe for some effects. And cyan again. And I will add some pearl white here. And magenta. And gold. And yellow. I choose primary colors a lot when I experiment, so because it's hard to get mud out of those. Okay, and now I will grab a skewer, a wooden skewer, and what I will try to do is kind of swipe some parts, and because I will go underneath, my paint will flow over, so my skewer is not big enough. We'll just turn this around a little bit. And I will let's tilt that now. I should probably do it just from one side to another. To get those things that I was hoping for, just to, you know. So I will do just another one on top, because I want to see. I'll just fill one more cup. I will go just from here. Go quick once. Oh, it's totally different effect. Skewer. It's not big enough. This is what this. That's why it is a problem. I did let this one dry because I kind of like it anyway. I just love this part, and the blue dried really nice, and I love these details, and kind of reminds me of a colorful cave or something. It is a little glare from my light, but that's how it is. Fee, no, not on the painting. Fee, Fiona, look at here. Fee, little Fee, look at my little Fee. Okay, so this skewer swipe didn't went as planned, but I think that I have an idea to do it once more to get more what I was hoping for. So it's a process, learning process. Thanks for being with me, and see you on the next one. Bye.